The Peninsular Plateau. It is a tableland composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is formed due to the breaking and drafting of the Gondwana land. As all we know, Gondwana land is the oldest landmass of the world. It has broad and shallow valleys with rounded hills. Consists of two broad divisions. The two divisions of the Peninsular Plateau is Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. You go through the map. This map clearly you know that the position of the Deccan Plateau. On the distinct feature of the Peninsular Plateau is the black soil. This known as the area known as the Deccan Trap. So all you clear? What is the meaning of the Deccan Trap? The special feature of black soil area is known as Deccan Trap. This is of volcanic origin, hence the rocks of ingenious. The whole of the Deccan Trap lies in the tropical region. It receives moderate rainfall. The Deccan Trap is formed by the lava soil, which is very fertile and useful for the cotton cultivation. The Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau is divided by the river Narmada. The Central Highlands, the part of the Peninsular Plateau laying in the north of the Narmada river, covering a major area of Malwa Plateau, is known as Central Highland. They are bounded by the Vindhya range from the south and the Aravalli hills from the northwest. The Central Highland are wider in the west but narrow in the east. You easily found the located area of the Malwa Plateau and the zone of eastern area. The further westward extension merged with the Indian desert, while the eastward extension marked with the Chotanagpur Plateau. It is near about to the West Bengal. The part of the West Bengal, the Chotanagpur Plateau is formed in the igneous rocks. These igneous rocks contain large amount of the minerals. Therefore, the plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals. All are clear that you are getting two types of different landmarks. That is, the Deccan Plateau is also known as the storehouse of the minerals, where the Deccan Trap is useful for the cotton cultivation. The Deccan Plateau, it is the triangular landmass, lies in the south of the Narmada river. The Satpura range flanks its broad base in the north, while the Mahadev, the Kaimur and the Michael range of the eastern extension. These peaks you can easily find through the map. The Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slopes gently to the eastward. Three prominent hill range, that is west to east, Garo, Khashi and Jaintia. The Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat mark the western and eastern boundary of the Deccan Plateau respectively. If we are talk the Western Ghat, these lie parallel to the western coastal area. They are continuous and can be crossed through the passes only. The Western Ghat are higher than the Eastern Ghat. Their average elevation of 900 to 1600 meter. When we are talking about the Eastern Ghat, whatever you go through this map, the Eastern Ghat elevations is 600 meter average height of the peaks. The Eastern Ghat stretch from the Mahanadi Valley to the Nilgiri of the south. The Eastern Ghat are discontinuous because it having the gap between the range. So it is having formed the different type of delta. In your next chapter, the drainage, you can know about the different type of delta. There are the 5 great rivers which we are found into the eastern coastal area, where the Eastern Ghat discontinuous and irregular, dissected by the river draining into the Bay of Bengal. If we go through the map of the India, we can find there are so many rivers goes to the Bay of Bengal. So just go through the map and clarify the boundaries of the Peninsular Plateau.